When it comes to the bow shoot and the importance of keeping this tradition, this craft, this game alive, and it being over 1,200 years old, that's a long ways for this game to be carried on. So many people before me had kept it alive. I don't want it to die on my generation. If I can spark that interest with them, maybe we can keep adding more group members to our shoot. For me to be able to continue this tradition and take part in this tradition, a tradition that's been going on for ages, it's an honor. Aside from just the bow shoot, aside from just making bows, every aspect of our culture, we got to keep that alive. Being Cherokee is more than just that blood quantum. It's more than just saying, yeah, my ancestor was a Cherokee. You know, we got all these traditions, we got all this heritage, we got all this culture, you know, from the plants, from the crafts, from the weapons, in our language, to even our food. You know, those are some main things that we need to maintain and we need to pass on, because without it, we're just another person.